Good morning on day, I don't know, 18 maybe? You know better than I do. The night was okay. It was around 4 degrees, but I wasn't cold. It wasn't humid or anything, so that made it much more enjoyable. But I needed to blow my sleeping pad like 3 times, and it got really windy, so I didn't sleep much. I don't know on what day you're gonna be seeing this video, but for me right now it's the Christmas Eve. So yeah, yesterday was great. Like, I can feel my hip again a little bit. I know what once I get moving it's gonna get better, so I'm taking it easy now. It's like 10:45 or something. I am terrible with mornings. I'm more like a evening warrior. I can't wait for longer evenings, because right now it's like dark really soon for me. I struggle with mornings, but in the evenings I can walk. Yeah, but quite pretty. I have an intel that the trees are gonna be gone soon, so I need to enjoy them for a little bit longer, and then it's gonna be fields again. And I don't have any particular plans for today. I'm just gonna go as I feel it. I was thinking to take a day off, but nah, I'll just walk a little bit. Even if it's just 10 kilometers, I'm gonna walk. Probably it's gonna be more than that, but yeah, quite a nice way to spend Christmas. I've also realized that I probably forgot to say Happy New Year to you. So, Happy New Year, Happy belated New Year, or belated Happy New Year, whatever. And hope it's gonna be a nice one and that you step into it with your right foot. I'm not sure if it's Christmas or Halloween now. As I'm walking it during the day, it might be creepy in the night. And the scenery has changed. You can already see behind the corner that it's mostly fields with no trees. That's where I'm heading. So I'm here in this here town. I don't know how it's called. I'm gonna write it down as usual. There is a beautiful, beautiful church. I am spending Christmas with two lovely people, with Martina from Ireland and with Eduardo from Spain. They are waving at you. Merry Christmas. Yeah, and now we are going to a pub to have some beers and celebrate Christmas together. Oh wow. Good timing. Yeah, perfect timing.